Hi, I'm from Photo Discount World, and today we are talking about how lens choices impact our portraits. The focal length of your lens doesn't just change how much of the scene you see, it actually changes the shape of your subject's face. Wide-angle lenses can distort features, making things close to the lens appear much larger. This is usually avoided for classic headshots. Standard lenses, like a 50 mm, provide a perspective similar to the human eye, offering a very natural look for portraits. Telephoto lenses are the portrait favorites. They compress the features, which is often very flattering, and create that beautiful background blur. So, choose your lens based on the story you want to tell. Wide for environmental shots, and telephoto for those tight, flattering headshots. In our next episode, we'll cover one simple technique to make your subjects stand out, including some behind the scenes mastering your craft footage. I'm from Photo Discount World. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.